Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely papaya smoothie, or you can call it a papaya drink. But because it is thick, we stick at smoothie. This lovely fruit, a lot of people seen it, but they don't understand or they know the health benefit of this. This fruit can heal wounds, good for healing wounds, cleanse infection, improve also your digestive system, and it's good to fight off kidney disease, and it have a lot of health benefits of fighting inflammation, and it's packed with vitamin C, vitamin K and A, and also help prevent heart attack and high cholesterol. So that's why you should try this drink, make it at home. So I'm going to take you through the process now. Inside here it have a lot of seeds, so I'll cut it sideways that you're seeing it. Look at this. So I'm just going to use half. The seed is very good for you also. So I'm just going to cut excess bits off which I don't need. You can either use a knife or you can use a peeler, whichever easier for you. Take the skin off. The skin is very good. You can use the skin to make tea. You can even use it to make a cake. If you're watching this video for the first time, I welcome you all. Welcome all my viewers, and I appreciate you clicking on my channel to watch, and I appreciate it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So that part is done. Now I'm just gonna get a spoon. So I'm just gonna remove the seeds. As I said, the seed is good. You can use them. They have very good health benefit, especially for men. So that's what the inside look like. Nearly a texture like mango, but a bit better. So I'll remove that. So I'm going to go ahead, cut it up. This I'm going to blend it, and I'm going to add a bit of water. If you want, you can add a bit of evaporated milk, but for me, I'm going to add a bit of condensed milk. It's not to make it sweet, it's just for a little bit of balance. And I will add a little bit of salt and some nutmeg. So I'm gonna go ahead, some nutmeg in. And I'm gonna add a bit of sweetened condensed milk. You don't have to put this in, it's optional, but this is the way I like it. Still don't take away the health benefit from it. I'm gonna add some water because it's gonna get really thick. Pop the lid on. Then I'm gonna blend. See how thick that is? I'm gonna add just a little bit of sea salt, not much, just for balance. Now it's ready. On top, just a bit of nutmeg on top. Yeah, I'm gonna top it off, put a bit of mint. It's a bit of mint leaf. Piece of lemon on the side. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let me get a sip. Oh, very rich and tasty. I urge you all to try this drink. You have nothing to lose. Thanks for watching. Peace be unto you all.